Apartment Food Diaries Day 1. Today we're going to attempt to make swordfish stew with some modifications because I don't have a 7-quart slow cook cooker, but instead 4 quarts, and there's not all the ingredients. The garlic cloves are going to be replaced by garlic powder, and apparently because swordfish don't want to be caught this time of the year, we're going to replace swordfish steaks with cod, and of course, extra olives in place of the cappers. Chop the eggplants diagonally, of course, to get the gray shape. And now we're gonna put it into a bowl, or in my case, the rice cooker pot. And we're gonna mix it with olive oil, red pepper flakes, the garlic, tomatoes, along with the juices, the eggplants mixed in with 1 cup of water. And of course, you have to squeeze out all of the juices of the tomatoes to get that perfect consistency. And then we put it in the pressure cooker and cook it on high for 3 hours. And of course we take it out and voila! Now it's time to put and season the cod, which we're gonna put with pepper and salt and then place it inside of the tomato and eggplant mixture. Fully submerged, we're going to put it back in the pressure cooker along with the olives and cook for another 30 minutes on high and then enjoy!